video about Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki and the boy wey him do juju for, wey talk say the juju wey dem do for am 2.5 million no work, which Akwa Okuko don refund that boy in 2.5 million. This is what Una Matthias could say about it. Let's watch this video and hear what Matthias said about this whole situation of Akwa Okuko and person wey him do juju for.
Boy na agbaneka na social media na kwa na pụrụ ego. Ọ bụrụ na obi gị eziokwu na asịsị ikpere ikpe ajewe court na okete buru okwu na aba na court maka na ndị be anyị si na were ajụ na asịsị ikpe okwu na court onye ka ọ dị ka ikpe amalụ. The boy si na ọ gwọrọ ọgwụ protection ọgwụ awele. Now since that time akwa gwọrọ ọgwụ protection rota the boy ọnwụgo mba. If you need a court, no work, can have all that is it. Because
let me analyze more towards what Matthias said. Let me elaborate more for those people that have been coming to my comment section to say, oh, Akwa gave him that 2.5 million for assault. Akwa don't want to go to court with him. If Akwa and that guy goes to court, Akwa will win him. That's the fact. Since him gworogogu o nwere ihe na-emele gị the man ga-asị mba. Since him gworogogu protection na ibubo, have anything happened to you? The man will say no. Now towards the direction of, oh, Akwa boys was the ones that allegedly beat him up, Akwa can deny it. Because you people don't have any voice record of Akwa instructing his boys to beat him up. You people don't have any evidence to prove that Akwa sent his boys to beat him up. Akwa can deny not knowing those boys. You understand? So, case closed. But then again, the Ogu na run. Akwa this guy 2.5 million. The Ogu they work. He's still on the protection now. Since that time. Even as the boys beat him, Ivan. You understand? Akwa still send them 500,000. Making you street himself. The favor inside the Ibubo, they work. You understand? The protection is working. Is when human beings pay native doctors to do juju for them, that is when you see them expecting too much. Once you don't pay native doctor to do juju for you, you will start expecting too much. You will start wanting things to start happening immediately. But when you sow seed in your church for prayers, and your pastor pray for you finish, you will be hoping on faith. Faith. But all native doctor now, each of magic. It doesn't work like magic. Faith, stop being impatient. Because I will know that the G.O.G.K. so you receive in his life. Only some pastors can say, come and sow seed in my life if you want this thing to happen. Or wouldn't you sow you receive in a church 2.5 million now? You are still believing by faith. So let's stop being petty. No refund of payment after Agocharagogo. Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki, write and put for your house. Agworogogo no lamonga. Akwa, listen to me. Write it and put in your house. No refund of payment after Agocharagogo. Cherekogo no. Ogu might take 5 years. No refund of payment. After all, we had a voice note of that same man saying that Akwa told him to stay 21 days without no knacking. Making no touch woman, making no knack for 21 days. That man, Akwa Chienti, got made 28 days. Now waiting they send you. Now waiting them tell you. You cannot follow native doctor's instruction. You do the one where you choose. They tell you 21 days. You go stay 28 days without knacking. Now waiting they tell you. Akwa Okuko ya siya da burite ya. Siya okwande village ha da burite ha. Ha da burite that guy ne refund kwala yego ya. Siya da burite ya. Come and carry your pot. You understand? Yes, oga come and carry your pot. Mumu ne da burite ya. Because you don't refund them the money. You understand? Come on gwagworo John. Gina John owofu. Gina John oshiofu village. Gina John oshiofu ne owofu ne munu na abo. Ofu ne unike mugodi owofu Chineke. So be careful out there. Gima na achi gana native doctor ga agwo ogwo. even mụnwa man unu na-ejide oke ego agwọ dị ọgwụ. So mmadụ ga-ewefute 2.5 million na this ship go cha gị native doctor. Unu na-agbalị o, ị ga-agụ cha 3 million na this ship. People are struggling to eat. Ka iji agwọ ọgwụ. Ihe unu na-emegbuola m. Ihe unu na-eme m. Ị ka na-agagharị na-achọ ebe a na-agwọrọ gị ọgwụ ka inwe ike mekie ya. Ị ga-emeki ya. Ọkụkọ gawa na kedibia, ọ chọrọ gịnị ọwa ọnwụ, ihe ọbụla ọhụrụ ya ewere ọwa ilulu. Be careful. Not be everybody juju they work for. And for those useless people that are coming to my comment section to tell me, oh, Akwa is using you to do damage control. Isha arụ ege mma. Amamonye Akwa wo. Ehotla mo na Akwa before. Amamonye wo. I'm just supporting him because no refund of payment after Gochara Gogo. And it will stand. It will stand. It's not being inhuman. It's not being selfish. After Gwachala Gogu, no refund of payment because they do buy materials to Gwala that Ogu for you. They do awaken their spirits money before Gwara Gogu. So don't come and say he's using you to do damage country. Have I seen him before? Have we sat down before? I literally don't know him, but I choose to support him. Agwara go hugi chere nwe patient nwe faith Chineke a na-akpọ gị ọkụ isikwa na ịchọ ga kpewe fire go to your church and pray and sow seed but agwara gị ọgwụ in this 2024 ị ga-enwe that patient ọgwụre ya ebido n'ụwa ọrụ. Since this year, have you seen anybody advertising Akwa ka asị na ọwụ because of the advert mere onye mere iji gawa na ụlọ Akwa? Have you heard in the news or in the television or in the radio station that Akwa is doing advert? Ogwana go 1 million before, now 200,000 now. Have you seen him doing discount? Or for Soroga for Sugano lawyer? On a yogi biko, Sigibiano lawyer. Akwa when the agent na kwatra ya customer. Ogiwa with oko chogi with your greediness. Brula gigawano lawyer. So you humble my brother give me give were ya. Nobody force you. When you they transfer money, we don't know. When Akwa Jigwara go, we don't know. Now because say you know work, now make you come out for social media. Oh my God, no, na give Ronyan to name a selipe. Ayagama no work. I will support Akwa in this one. I will support Akwa. And I will still support him in case another person want to come up and say, Akwa Goramago or walk. I'm a supporter Akwa this one. Let him use me and do that damage control. I will support him. Chineke pokwa noko. Agwara go give me patient